This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update on ticker BBIG or Vinco Ventures. So they were delisted from NASDAQ. You can see right here in Thinkscript. They are now OTC. This did say NASDAQ yesterday when you look at the ticker in Thinkscript. So they are off the NASDAQ. They are trading on OTC, and no surprise here, we have this massive gap down and this massive move lower. I've been making videos the past few days just talking about how I'm short because these prices are ridiculous and they're going to get delisted, and I'm expecting a massive move lower. That's exactly what we have here. So if you go to the NASDAQ website and look at the issuers pending suspension delisting page, you see right there, Vinco Ventures, BBIG, suspended as of today for non-compliance. A bunch of board members quit and they didn't meet audit requirements. So that's why NASDAQ kicked them off to the OTC. There were a lot of people on StockTwits and Webull and YouTube and different places claiming that this delisting was not coming. And even if they do get delisted and they do get bumped to the OTC, everything's going to be fine. The share price is going to be fine. It might even go higher. Don't listen to those idiots. Whenever a company is getting delisted from a major exchange like NASDAQ, it is not a good sign. It is not a good thing that companies are hiding their financials. A bunch of top executives or board members are quitting. These are not good signs, and this is the proof of it right here. Massive gap down, massive move lower. And I'm going to stay short these guys. They've already come out in their quarterly SEC filing and said that, we're going to go bankrupt or we're going to have to somehow, raise funds. And I was looking in that quarterly report, and what they want to do is they want to have a shareholder meeting and get a vote to dilute 500 million shares. So right now they're authorized to issue, I think, 250 million shares, which most of those have already been authorized. But they want to increase that up to 750 million. So they want to dilute the hell out of this thing. The CEO of this company is making $450,000 a year, and it's a scam company. Shareholders are getting screwed over. They're doing reverse splits. They're diluting. They're trying to dilute even more. So these executives, these top positions in this company, are making a killing while the shareholders and the people holding long term are just getting destroyed. So again, I'm bearish. I think this company is trash. Right now they're showing the suspension within NASDAQ. If they can regain compliance, they could come back to the NASDAQ. But I don't have high hopes that's going to happen. I mean, anything could happen, but if you're asking me, I'm thinking there's a reason those board members quit. This company is a scam. This company is a joke. So good luck to them trying to fill those positions and regain compliance. And yeah, if they don't dilute like crazy, like they said in their quarterly filing, they're going bankrupt. So yeah, I'm going to remain bearish on this. Feel bad for the people that bought in around $5, $6. They're just getting crushed right now. If they can even trade. Some brokers don't allow you to trade OTC. So I see a lot of people on StockTwits saying, oh, I can't even, I can't trade it. What's going on? They're like in Robinhood or Webull or whatever. They can't even trade anymore. Thinkswim or TD Ameritrade does allow you to trade the OTC. But some brokers don't even allow you to do that. So again, just, in the future, if you got screwed on this one, just know that companies that don't want to report their financials and they're out of compliance for reporting their financials, that's a huge red flag. Definitely be bearish on a company like that. And then again, any notices from NASDAQ for delisting, whether the share price is under $1 or they don't meet audit requirements, these are all bad signs and all reasons to be bearish. And if NASDAQ does, fully delist them, let's just say they can't get back in compliance and they don't make it back on, NASDAQ and they just stay OTC, this is not going to be good for the stock. Again, don't listen to those idiots out there, YouTube, StockTwits, wherever, that says, oh, it's no big deal going to the OTC. Look at ENDP, INDO International. Look at AVCT, American Virtual Cloud Technologies. Tell me what happened when they bounced off of the major exchange and went to OTC. They tanked, and I think AVCT went bankrupt. So not a good sign. Definitely I'm going to stay bearish on these guys. And I think they're headed to zero. I think they're going to go bankrupt. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker BBIG or Vinco Ventures. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.